2008 Trailblazer Chevy V8 5.3 liter beast. Limited edition. It's got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. And guess what we put on it, boys and girls? Dynamax race bullet. 2.5 inch pipe. Continued his tailpipe 2.5 inch. Then we did a rear resonator delete there into a 5-inch black tip roll right there. We'll have a link in the description for the tip and the Dynamax race bullet. And like always, guys, please subscribe because it always helps us keep going up and making more and more videos for you guys. There's the resonator and the muffler we cut off. This thing is massive. Look at my foot. It's bigger than my foot. Like 3 times the size of my foot. It's like 36 inches. And there's the resonator also and the tailpipe. So we cut both of those off and put that Dynamax race bullet. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Look at that massive 5-inch tip. That looks sick. 2008 Chevy Trailblazer SS. Where they come in 5.3, don't they? 5.3 V8. Really nice truck. Got a really nice wheels on it. What we got done on it's got aftermarket high flow converters there and there. He had them put on somewhere else. Then we did a muffler delete, 3-inch, and replaced it with 3-inch pipe in the middle. Look how massive that muffler is. It's right there. And then we also did a rear resonator delete, but we did something special on it. We put a Dynamax race bullet right there and 5-inch tip, black tip. Part number on the Dynamax race bullet is 24251. So if you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. There's that tip. It fits it perfectly, really cleanly, really nice. And guys, like always, please subscribe and like our videos so we can keep going and keep doing it. There's the muffler we cut off, and there is the resonator we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 1, 2, 3. Much better. You see what I'm talking about? Give it gas. 4,000 RPM. Rev it. That sounds so good, man. Here's sound decibels. High, rev it higher. Right at 104. Go ahead and back it out. Dude, that looks sick. I like it. Now you know what I'm talking about with the deepness, right? Those Dynamax sound badass on these. Anything 5.3, that Dynamax sounds good on them. Anything V8. Even the V6s too. Trailblazer. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Woo-hoo! That's throaty right there. Yeah, those Dynamax race bullets. Oh man, that's so beast mode. Decibels again. Right at 115. That's beast. Oh man, that sounds so good. There's everything we cut off right there, guys. It's so clean too. I love the look of it. Come get you. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
so good. Has a really good chop at idle. Even though it's not cammed or nothing, it just has a really nice chop.
Blazer SS. 1 second, guys. Oh, that auto's beautiful. What do you guys think? I like the color too. And the wheels, he's gonna de-badge it and bring all the badges black. So it'll look really nice. You gotta admit the look is awesome though. Look at that. Chevy, man. Beast mode. That's definitely a beast mode right there. Oh man, that thing flies.